Today we will discuss about merge sort algorithm. So in the merge sort algorithm we have one input array. You see this one, right? 4, 8, 12, 11, 13, 5, 6, 7. This is the input array. So we need to sort in the ascending order, either ascending order, descending order. Okay, so we will write a code for ascending order. Okay, so you can take first this original array. The original array, right, we can split into the two subarrays. One is left array and another one is for right array. Okay, now we can come to the left array. So first we will complete the left array. Okay, you come here. If you take this as a subarray, again you can divide it into the two subarrays. Okay, one is 4 comma 8, another is one for 12 comma 11. Okay, now you come to 4 comma 8. 4 comma 8, you see here, still we can able to divide it into the two subarrays. Okay, now come to here. So the array, right, left array, we have only one element. Okay, so we do not have to split, we do not have any other element to split. Okay, so up to here this is fine. So once you reach here, what you have to do, you have to go back to the right side of this one. Okay, you see up to here you can go back. So now you can go back to this one. Okay, now 8, you see here again 8 it came, right? 8 also the length is 1, it is not more than 1. So what you do, again you can compare both 4 comma 8. Which one is lesser you can keep into the beginning index of array, and which one is greater then you can keep into the end index of the array. Okay, now you are here, right? Now you can go to where you will go to here, because this is all, the left side is already over, right? Now you can go to this one. Okay, 12 comma 11. 12 comma 11, again we will divide it in. See, if you take this as a subarray, so 12 comma 11, again we can split it into two subarrays, 12 and 11, right? So you can come here from here to here. Okay, we divided into, right, we divided into two subarrays. So once you come to the this left array this one. Okay, now the array's length is less than or equal to 1. I mean it is having only one element, so we do not have other element to split. You can stop here, and what you do, you can go back. You can go back from here to here. Okay, now in the 11th place, right? So again yeah, what you do, you come to here. So 11, right, we have only one element, so from here we will stop because it have only one element. So what we will do, we will go back from here to there. Okay, so 12 comma 11. So before going to here, right, you can check which one is greater, which one is lesser. 11 comma 12, so 11 is a lesser, right? So, I mean smaller. So smaller one you can keep into the beginning index of array, and the greater element you can keep into the end index of the array. Okay, up to here is over. Okay, now come to 12 11 to from here to there. Let me draw this. So again you can go back to this one. Okay, this left side is over and right side is over, right? Now you can come to here. Okay, so this is up to here, this is over, we sorted. So 4 comma 8 here 4 comma 8 we sorted, and 12 comma 11 we sorted. Sorry, after sorting it will come like this, 12 comma 11. So you can this is 4 comma 8, 11 comma 12. Okay, now we can keep here for a sorted array, 4 8 11 12. This is sorted, right? Now we can keep into the sorted array. Okay, now you see here, yeah, here guys, here, yeah, there is one problem. See, this array is sorted and this is also sorted, right? We have two sorted arrays. We can keep into one single sorted array. So I have explained this in my previous videos. You can see this one. You can search with my name. Okay, you see here, merge two sorted arrays into, we will keep as it is single sorted array. So First you go through this one before coming to merge sort algorithms. So this is very easy. So I made a separate video for this because this is also an interview question. Okay, interviewer, they will ask one question this one, so that's why I made it separate video. So simply we will reuse this code. Okay. Okay, now we have the two sorted arrays. So two sorted arrays we can keep into the one single sorted array. Okay, so this one after keeping into single sorted array 4 8 11 12. Okay, up to here we are clear, right? So now now what we will do, so this is left array is over. Now we will go to the right array. Right array 13 5 6 7, right? Now we can come to from here to here. Okay, after that first we'll complete the left one. Once left is over, then we'll go for right one. So what is the left? This one is the left. So the left 13 comma 5, we can come here again. We can split 13 comma 5 into two sub arrays. One is 13, another is for 5. Okay, now you will come here. Okay, you come here 13. We do not have we have only one element, so we cannot split this one. Okay, what you do again, you can come back to here. Okay, right array of this one. Okay, the 5 is there, right? Again you can you come here, right? Take the right array and I mean you can come here. This is also only one element, right? So we do not have one other element to split. Okay, what you do in this place, you can compare with 5 comma 13. Which one is smaller? 5 is smaller, right? So begin index 5 and end index 13, you can keep like this. Okay, not begin, not end actually. So the smaller element it will go first and greater element it will come to after that. Okay, now the left is over. Now come to from here to there. Okay, now 6 comma 7 again we will divide it into the this one 6 comma 7 6 and 7. So it will come here and again we will divide it into the 6 and we now we come back to here and now we can divide it into this one and 6 comma 7, right? 6 comma 7, how it will be? 6 is smaller than 7, right? So it will come like this. Okay, now you see here in this place. Okay, 5 comma 13 is sorted and 6 comma 7 also the sorted. Okay, so now we have one see here also we discuss the same. We have two sorted arrays, so we can keep into one single sorted array. Okay, we can keep into the single sorted array. Then what you do, we can go back here. So after coming back, how it will form here? 5 5 6 7 5 6 7 and 13, right? So we are here. Okay, actually this is also here. I will explain this this one. Okay, so at this place this is also sorted and this is also sorted. 5 6 7 13 also sorted. So now we have two sorted arrays. So what we can do, we can keep into one single sorted array. So after sorting single sorted array, how it will come? It will come like this. Okay, it will come like this. This is the resulted one. Okay guys, yeah, first what I will do, I will explain the logic. Okay, I will explain first to understand clearly. So I will explain in the recursive way. So I will explain very clearly in depth. Okay, I will explain recursive mechanism, how it works, and merge sort. So how to divide also I will tell, and how to merge also. How to merge two sorted arrays into one single sorted array. I made separate video. Please go through this one. And this division is very important. So once you understand this one, right, recursion, you will resolve many problems. Not only these problems, you can resolve many problems. So using this backtracking, so many problems you can resolve. So many interview questions you can ask. Okay, the recursion is very important. So I will explain the recursive mechanism in merge sort. Yeah, now you come here. So you see here, this is the original array. Okay, this is the original array. So what we did first we divided into the two subarrays, left array and right array. Come to the left array. Again we divided this one into two subarrays. This is for left and this is for right. Okay, now you come here, 4 comma 8, right? Again we divided into this one. Up to here we are fine, right? We already discussed it here. The same we have discussed. But what will happen? So how to divide this? I will tell you first. So the first, right? So this is the original array we are calling to the one method. Okay, we are using recursion method. Recursion we are using. Okay, now this array I am passing to the recursion method. After that, so what will happen? This array, this original array, it will go and keep into the stack. Okay, we are not creating the stack. We are using the recursion. Recursion internally it uses the stack data structure to store the values or elements. Okay, now you see here 4 8 12 11, this array, right? So it will go and keep into the stack. Okay, this is up to here we are good. Now come here. So you see here this length is greater than, I mean more than 1, right? If it is more than 1, then we can it is possible to split. See, now 4 8 12 11 and 13 5 6 7. Okay, we are splitting into the two subarrays, the same in the same stack. So 4 8 12 11 we are keeping as one separate variable. This is also we are keeping into the separate variables, and the entire this one, right, we are keeping into the original array. Okay, so whatever I am indicating this, right, this is the sub array, this is the left array, this is right array. Okay, up to here you are clear, right? So what is this? This is the stack. Okay, now now we'll go from here to there. So from here to here we are calling the recursion. Okay, now here, from here onwards we will call the same recursion method. You see, this is the function assume. So we will pass this array to recursion method. We will pass the array to recursion method. Come here. Okay, you see here, this is first function calling recursion method. Okay, now 4 8 12 11, right? 4 8 12 11, by I'm taking this left array, I'm passing to this recursion method. Okay, I am passing to the recursion method. After that, what I am doing, I am checking this. You see here, after that so it will check anyway. We will check the array length at least minimum more than 1 or not. More than 1 means it is 2, at least 2, right? So we can split into the two subarrays. Okay, you see here, from the left array we are taking this left array and passing to recursion. After passing the recursion, then this array 4 8 12 array, okay, it will go and keep into the stack. This is second recursion function call. Okay, first is not returned, second also not returned here. Okay, now what you do, what we do, 4 comma 8 and 12 comma 11, we can split into the two subarrays, right? Again we will call this recursion method by passing the left array. What is the left array? 4 comma 8 here, you see. Okay, 4 comma 8 here, this one in the stack. Okay, 4 comma 8 we can take and pass to the recursion function. Once you pass, right, so what it will do, it will go and keep into the stack. Okay, now we have the two subarrays, 4 comma 8. 4 is the left and 8 is the right. So you take the left array 4 and you can pass the recursion function. Okay, now here what you are checking? Okay, now wait, the 4, it will go into the stack first. It will go to the stack, and the recursion function, right, in the recursion function we've written one condition. What is that condition? So the array, whatever we are giving this array, right, it is more than one element. See, you see here, it is only one element, right? So what we will do, it will reverse. Okay, I mean it will return, not reverse, it will return. See, now we are at a recursion. This is fourth one. I mean, see, this is the main, this is the first recursion call, we are calling this one, and this is the second recursion call, and this is third recursion call, and this one is the fourth one. Okay, but this if first one, second one, third one not returned, so here we are returning. So once we return, what will happen? It will come back to here. Okay, I am removing this. Okay, now we are here 4 comma 8. Okay, now 4 comma 8, left array is over. You see, left is over. So what it is, right is there, right? So we need to go for right. Okay, take this right and pause the recursion method. We are at here function, I mean we are calling this function, right? First time, second time, third time, the recursion calling this one. So in first recursion calling, second recursion calling, third recursion, the same function is same, but calling is first time, second time, third time. So I mentioned here. Okay, this one is I mentioned for your understanding, nothing else. Okay, now I'm taking this right array. See, this is over, right? Up to here this is over. So after 4, where will go? Tell me guys, where will go after this? We have to come here only, right? We have to come here. We can't go directly there. First we have to complete this. You can sort this, then you can go. Okay, now you can now you come here. Come here means let me draw you. This 4, the left array is over. Now you can come to here. Okay, now you can take this 8 subarray and you can call the recursion method. Okay, now come to this side. Okay, now once you pause this 8 to recursion, the 8 it will keep into the stack. You see, this is the 8. Okay, now 8 is okay, we kept into the stack, and what we will do, we will check the length of this array. The length is it is not more than 1, right? The length, at least it should 2, the length, array length to split, but it have only 1. So what we will do, so we will return to previously calling function. Previously calling, what it is, this one function, this one. We are coming back this time. Okay, from here to here it will return. Okay, so that's why guys I mentioned here, this is first time calling this function, second time calling, third time, right? So, okay, so I mentioned these things. Okay, it will return to here. Okay, this is left and right is over. This is over, this is over. So where it will return? It will return to this function, because we were calling from here to there, right? Now we are coming back. Okay, backtracking, coming back. Okay, now left side is over, right? No, this is over, right? 4 8 is over. Wait, this is not yet over. 4 comma 8 is over. We are up to here only, guys, so we didn't reach up to this point. 4 comma 8 is over. Compare with 4 comma 5, which one is lesser and which one is greater? So lesser value you can keep into the first, and the greater value you can keep into the next. Okay, now 4 comma 8. Okay, you are clear, right? Up to here you are clear, right? Okay, now 4 comma 8, you come here. Yeah, now the left array 4 comma 8 is sorted. This one is sorted. Okay, we can ignore this one, it won't available in this one, after this one, right? In the stack it won't available. Okay, now we can come back to 4 8 and 12 11. Okay, yeah, from here 4 8 is over, right? So where it will come? It will come back to 4 8 12 11. Okay, 4 8 12 11. Okay, 4 8 12 11. Now you see this 12 comma 11, the 4 8 is already over, that this is over, the 12 11 is there, right side. Take the 12 11. Okay, take this 12 comma 11 array and call the recursion function. So once you call the recursion function, how it is the stack? You see like this, 12 comma 11 it will go into the stack. Okay, and again you can split this two, this one and this one, right? This is left array, this is right array. Okay, you see here, this one and this one, left array and right array. So what you do, take the left array and again you can call the recursion method. Okay, after calling the recursion method, check that array length having more than one element. No, right? This is one element only, it's not more than one. At least you should do. What you do, you can return. Once you return, where it will come? It will come to here. Where it will come? It will come to from here to here. So in this recursion call, so this is over, but this is remaining, right? Take this array, right array, and call the recursion. Okay, once you call that one, how it will be the stack? The stack is like this. Okay, now we are taking this 11 and passing the recursion. You see the 11, it will go and keep in the stack. Okay, now we will check this array length. Array length is only 1, it is not more than 1. So that's why what we will do, we will come back to here. Okay, now 12 is over, 11 is over. This function, it will return to here. Okay, wait guys, before going here, right, before going back to here, what we will do, so we have 12 comma 11, which one is lesser and which one is greater? The lesser value we can keep into here, and greater value you can keep next. Okay, this one. Okay, now yeah, it will return to this previous recursion function calling. Okay, wherever you are calling this one, right, we are going back. Okay, now 11 comma 12 is sorted. So if you take this one, 4 comma 8 is sorted, and if you take this 11 comma 1 is sorted, 11 comma 12. Okay, 11 comma 12. Take this one. You see guys, we have two sorted arrays, right? 4 comma 8 and 12 comma 11. So I have explained very clearly in this video, so please go through this video and just you call this method. Okay, first you understand this one. Okay, how to sort, so you will get it to know. So after this, now this is also over, this is over, and this is over. I mean we already called this one, right? Now it will return where? It will return to here. Guys, you remember this one, so I will explain very clearly. Even I will debug and I will show you the stack, how internally it keeps these values. I will debug and I will show you. Okay, now it will come back. So now see, it will come back. Before coming back, right, so we will keep 4 8 11 12 as a sorted one. Okay, now come back to here. Okay, you see guys, I think see, this it will come back, right? Again it will 12 comma 11, it will come back, again it will come back, right? So this is the steps. First it will come back, it will come in depth I have written, but anyway I explained there, right? See, 4 comma 8, 12 comma 11. Now we are taking 11 comma 12 and we are sorting here. After sorting, it will come like this. Okay, now right side is remaining. Right side remaining for what? You see, this is the diagram, right? Keep in your brain this stack. Okay, keep this in your brain, the stack, because you are the technical guy. Okay, and this is over, and right side of the original array is remaining to pass the recursion, to split. I mean, see, this we have divided and splitted and sorted. This side is over. Okay, in the stack this is over. Right side, if you see the diagram, it is remaining. In the stack, you see, this is remaining, right? So what we do this time, we will take this subarray. Okay, I mean the right array we will take and we will call the recursion. I mean we will pause this array to the recursion method. Okay, once we call this, how it will be this stack? It will be like this. So 13 5 6 7, it will go and keep into the stack. Okay, now you see, this is the array, right? So this array we can divide it into the two sub arrays. One is left array and another one is 6 comma 7, 13 comma 5 and 6 comma 7. Okay, 13 comma 5 is left array and 6 comma 7 is the right array. Okay, now you see here, you can take this left array and you can call the recursion function or method. Okay, you can call this recursion function. So now what do you do? Once you pass the recursion function 13 comma 5, it will keep into the stack. Guys, remember one thing, we are not creating a stack. Recursion itself, it will maintain the stack data structure to store the all elements. Okay, now 13 comma 5 it will go and keep into the stack. Okay, you see here, up to here you are clear, right? Now you can take this 13, yeah, come to here. Okay, this one up to here it's over, right? Now 13 comma 5 we can divide it into the two sub arrays. So take this left array, come first you okay, guys, what you do first, you take only left side, this is left side, left side, left side, left side. Okay, first you take only left side. Once left is over, then you can go for right. Okay, 13 comma 5, right? What is the left for this left array? 13 array. You can take this 13 and you can call the recursion method. So once you call the recursion method, that value it will go and keep into the stack 13. Okay, now you can okay, up to here you are clear. So before 13 is the right, take the 13 and you can call this a recursion function, and you check what is the length. Sorry, whenever you are keeping here, right, you can check the length of this array. It is not greater than 1. So what you can do, you can come back to this one, this stack previously calling, where you are calling from here, right? Here, I mean, if you see this diagram, you will go back to here. Okay, but in your brain you can keep this stack. Okay, this is very easy. Even non-technical guys also, they will easily to remember, but for us this one is important. Okay, I will tell you later why. Okay, now 13 is written, it is returning to the previous recursion calling function. So what is the previous one? This one. So 13 comma 5 it will come back. Okay, and this is the left array is 13. Now we need to find, you can call this one this 5. Okay, yeah, I've written in the next diagram, you see here. Now what you do, you can take this 5 and you can call this recursion method. So in the recursion method, if you pass by passing this value, it keep into the stack, right? So this is the 5, and check the this array length. It is not more than 1, it is 1 only. So what you do, we will return to previous call, previous recursion function, wherever it is calling, we can come back to there. Okay, now we are here. Now if you come here, right, we have two arrays. One is left array and another one is right array. So you see here 13 comma 5, which one is lesser, and 5 which one is greater? 13. So you see the lesser element I kept into the first, then greater element I will keeping into the next. Okay, now this is sorted. 5 comma 13 is sorted. Okay, 5 comma 13 is sorted. Okay, come back to here. 5 comma 13 is sorted. This is over. Okay, now what you do, up to here it's over, right? 13 comma 5 is sorted, but 6 comma 7 is remaining. So this it will actually, this it will return to this one. 13 comma 5 sorry, it will return to this function, but in this function this call is over, and right side array call is remaining, right? Now 6 comma 7 I am passing to the recursion. So come to this diagram. Okay, now 6 comma 7 I am passing the recursion function. You see the 6 comma 7. Okay, again what you do, so once you pass this array to recursion, right, it will keep into the stack. Okay, if you see this diagram, it will come like this. Okay, and come to the next. So you now 6 comma 7, right? 6 comma 7. So again we can split into the two sub arrays. One is left array and another is one for right array. Okay, the left array, you take the left array and call the recursion method. Guys, you understand this one. So this is very easy actually. Non-technical guys, this is full, but you come here, the 6 comma 7, right? The stack we have 6 comma 7. Take the left array. Okay, take the left array and call this recursion function. Once you call the recursion function, so the 6, right, this array it will keep into the stack. Okay, and after keeping into the stack, we will check this one, the length is only 1, right? So that's what we will do. We will come back to previously calling previously caller function. Okay, now it will come back, but this is over, but this is not over, right? This is remaining. Okay, so come to the next diagram. You see here, so I'm taking it will go out actually. So once you return, right, it won't available into the stack, this and all whatever I cancel this one, right? So it won't maintain recursion in the stack, so that's why I cancel this one, it won't available. So now we come to here. Okay, now I am passing this say I'm taking this 7, right? Yeah, this is 6 is over, I told you. Okay, now 7 is remaining. 7, you take the 7 and pause this recursion method. So once you pause, right, how it is the stack is like this. See, the 7 is here. Okay, so once you pause here, it will go and keep into the stack. And after that, what we will check the length of the array. The length of the array is only 1, it is not more than 1. So what it will do, so we will return to the previously caller function. Previously where we were calling here, right? It will go back. So this is over and this is over, right? So now we will go back to here. 13 5 6 come, this is over, this is over. Guys, did you remember this is 2 is over, right? Okay, but guys, before coming to here, what we will do, let me tell you. Now it will return to here, right? 6 comma 7. In 6 comma 7 we have two arrays, one is left, another one is right. So compare with I think I have written it down. Okay, but anyway, you see here, take the 6 comma 7 left array and right array. 6 comma 7, which one is greater, you can keep into the first, and which one is greater, you can keep into the next. This is a smaller, this is the greater. You can make you can make it array like this. Okay, 6 comma 7. Okay, now you see here, where are we? Function 3, right? So function 3, we are at function 3. So better it will explain. From here to here it will return, because this 2 is over, and even this is also over now. Okay, again it will go back to here, right? Guys, I will yeah, you see here, 13 comma 17, right? This side, left side 13 comma 5, it is sorted one, this is sorted one, and this is also sorted one. Okay, we have two sorted arrays, we can keep into the one single sorted array. Okay, we already written one algorithm, right? So guys, I already explained this one. I told you, I'm repeating twice and thrice. You go through this one, you will understand very clearly. Okay, you see, we can keep into the one single sorted array. So once we kept into the single sorted array, so how it is, it will be like this: 5 6 7 13. Left array we already sorted, left side of this array. Now you see guys, we have two sorted arrays, left array and right array. So the two sorted arrays we can keep into the one single sorted array. This one, you see, this one. Now you see here, this is sorted, it is in ascending order: 4 5 6 7 8 11 12 13. This is in ascending order. Okay, yeah, you can go through this video, so wherever you want, you see this diagram and you can understand. So I will show you very clearly and slowly this time once more. The first 4, this is original array, I am keeping here, keeping into the stack. Actually we are not keeping, we are calling the recursion method. Recursion itself, it will maintain the stack data structure. This is the original array. Okay, and splitting into the two, for this one and this one. Now we are taking this array, this one, and we are calling the function. So once we call the function, whatever we are passing that array, it will store into the stack here. Okay, again we are splitting into two subarrays. We are taking the left side array, and calling the recursion method. So after calling, so whatever you pass the array, right, 4 comma 8, it will go and keep into the stack data structure. Again what we are doing, we are taking the left side array and we are calling the function. So once you call, what will happen, it will go and keep into the stack. Okay, so now after that, you see here, after keeping into the stack, we are checking the length, right? Length is 1, I mean it is not more than 1. Then it will return to the previous color function. Here you see this left array is over, right array is remaining. Then you can call the 8 to recursion, this one. So once you call, right, so it will be like this. Okay, stack is it will be like this. So again, after keeping into the stack, so what will happen, that it will check the length is only 1, so that's why it will return to here. previously previous color method. Okay, this is over and this is over, so two are over, right? Then it will come to here. Okay, but previously it is over. You see here, this is over. Okay, now we will take the 12 comma 11 right one and we can pass to recursion. Okay, yeah, we'll come to this one. Okay, this one, right? We will call 12 comma 1 to the here. So 12 comma 12 comma 11, again it will keep into the stack. Again what we will do, we will take the left one and we will keep into the here, and it will check the length. The length is only one, so that's why we will return to here, and left is over, and again take the right, this right, and call this one. Okay, after calling that one, the how it is, the stack is looks like it's looking like this. Okay, this 11. So again we will check the length is only one, so that's why we will come back to here. So this is over and this is over, we will come back to here, and this is over and this is over, we will come back to the previous color, here. Okay, now we can come. So now we are here, right? Okay, so guys, yes, this is over. Okay, but for your clear understanding, I have written this one more diagram. That's anyway, we are at here, this is over, and this is over, but right is remaining. The right also I'm passing to the recursion. The similarly I did the same. Okay, 13 comma 5, again 13 comma 5, sorry, 13 5 6 7, and taking the left and calling the recursion method, and 13 comma 5 it will go and keep into the stack. And now come here, 13 comma 5, right? Again I am calling this, taking this 13 and calling this array, and the length is only one, so it will come back, and right is left is over and right is remaining. Again taking the 5 and calling this recursion, the 5, right? Where is this? Yeah, this one, this diagram. So the length is only one, it will come back to the previous color method, and again it will call to this is also over it, then again it will call to previous color method, and this 2 is over left and right. The left and right is over, so it will return to here, and this is left and right, we already passed it to the recursion array, so we will come back to here, and now it is now this time it is over. Okay, this and all I explained very clearly. So now I will write a code for splitting, and I will explain you very clearly, and I will show you the stack also. Okay, I will show you the stack, how it is maintaining the recursion. Okay guys, okay, let me remove this. Okay, now, so what we do, the first we will divide the original array into two subarrays, and come to the left and come to the left and come to the left. First only the left you concentrate. So first I will explain only the left, how to split left arrays. Okay, and I will show you this recursion in the stack. Guys, you see here, this is the original array 4 8, you can read this. Okay, you can pause and you can read this array. So this is the original array. So what I'm doing, I'm taking this original array and calling to this method, divide method. So divide method, so it will divide the arrays. It will divide how it is, it will like this, 4 8 12 11, 4 comma 8 and 12 comma 11, like this. Okay, I will show you. You see here, I am passing the original array. So I am checking the length at least the array should contain minimum 2 elements, right? That this is the condition. Okay, and I am dividing by 2, splitting into the two subarrays. This one is I am keeping into left array and another is for right array. The same, one is left array and another is for right array. Okay, now I am calling this one, divide method, recursively I am calling. Same method I am calling by passing which one, left array. Guys, here pay attention here, which array I am passing, the left array. Okay, you see here, first I will come here, and this is left and this is right. So it will come like this, and again it will come like this. But I didn't take this one right array. Okay, remember this, only left array. Okay, I will show you this stack also how it is. Okay, I will debug and I will show you guys. It is running. Wait for some time, guys. This recursion mechanism is very important to resolve the issues. Okay, in next upcoming videos also we will use the recursion to resolve the problems. Okay, so that's why I'm clearly explaining in depth. Okay, now you see guys, see here, right, we are passing this original array to divide method from main method. Okay, now you see this is the original array, this is the stack. Okay, wait, first we will check the length is it is more than 1. Okay, more than means it's less than 2. Okay, now I'm dividing, I'm splitting into the two subarrays. One is for 4, you see 4, 8, 12, 11, and another is for right one 13, 5, 6, 7. You see guys, here this is the original array, this is the original array, splitting into the two subarrays, left array and right array. Okay, now I'm calling this same function. What I'm passing the left one. You see this diagram, I'm splitting into 2 and I'm calling the recursion function by passing the left array. Okay, left array, I'm passing the left array. Okay, okay, fine, come here. Okay, here after passing, checking the length, yes, and again this is the original array 4, 8, 12, 11. 4, 8, 12, 11. I'm splitting into the two subarrays. One is left one, another is for right one. You see here, this is the left array. Left array is 4, 8, and right is 12, 11. Okay, what I am passing here again left array, because first we will complete the left side. Okay, 4, 8. Okay, now you see this is also in the stack. Okay, now 4, 8 I am passing to the here. Okay, now 4, 8. Now 4, 8. 4, 8, right? Now I am checking this length. It should have minimum 2 elements. Yes, minimum 2 elements. Now again I am splitting into the two subarrays. 4, 8. Sorry, 4 is the left and 8 is the right. Okay. Now up to here you are good, right? The left is over. Okay. The left is over, guys. Yeah, you see here this stack, right? Where are we using this one? This first original array, then left array, again left array of this one you see, I will show you here. The first time from main method onwards we are calling the divide method. This is the, you see what we are passing, this is the original method, original array. Okay, this is original array, we are splitting into the two subarrays. Okay, and next recursion call, what we are passing the left array, you can come here 4, 8, 12, 11. Okay, 4, 8, 12, 11. What next? 4, 8. You are clear, right? This is the stack. The first is this one, and then in stack on top of this one, on top of this is this one, stack. The same thing I mentioned here. The first is original array, then off of the array of this one, this one I am keeping into here, the left array, and this left array I am keeping into here, splitting and keeping. And 4, we didn't reach here, right? The 4 I will come and show you. Now left array 4 I am passing there. Okay, you see here the 4 it came. Okay, I will show you. This is the stack, guys. This is the stack data structure. It follows the recursion. The first is this one, and I'm splitting and calling the recursion by passing this one, and I'm splitting this one and passing the left array. You see the 4, 8, and splitting this one, passing the left array. What is the left array? 4. Okay, now I'm checking the length. Every time I'm checking the length. So the length is length. Why we are checking that array? At least it should contain more than one element. Okay, more than one means it should contain minimum 2, right? If it is minimum 2 elements, then we can split. So that's why we added this condition. Now it will return. This condition satisfied, it will return. Where it will return? Where it will return? I will show you. See, now we are here, right? This is left side is over. Where it should go? It should go back to here, right? It will go back to previous caller function. Okay, the previous caller function, where it will come out to here. But after that, what we've written this? Nothing. We didn't write, we didn't call anything. You see here, 4, up to 4 we are good. So 4 onwards, where to go? We have to go for here, right? Okay, I didn't write that piece of code. For your clear explanation, I didn't write as of now. Okay, as of now I didn't write. Now I am going to write. Okay, let me complete this, you will understand first. Okay, you see here it's written, right? Return to where? It return to here, and again it will return to this function. That's okay. So I didn't complete this coding. For your understanding, I have written only this one. Up to left side array I have split it. Now right side also we need, right side. So what I do, I will call the same function by passing the right array. That's it. The meaning, you see here, so 4 is written, right? It should come, it is coming to here. It is coming to this method, but again I am calling this function by passing right array, this one. Okay, I am passing this one. That is this piece of code. Okay guys, now I will debug and I will show you. Guys, code is very easy, but only you need to understand this one, how we are splitting and how we are keeping into the stack, how we are passing the left array, and when we are calling the right array. This we need to understand. Okay, now left array it will over. I already told you those things, right? Now 4, guys, you see here, I will show you. Now 4, right? The first, this is the original array, this is the left array, this is also left array of that, this is the left array of previous one. Now it will return where? It will return here. Okay, it will return previous caller function. So here this is over, this is over. This means the left array is over. It will, we are calling, we are taking this right array and calling the recursion. That piece of code is this one. So it will return to here actually. Okay, you see here, now it came, right? Now we are taking the right array and passing to the same recursion here. Okay, yeah. Now what is this one? Right array is 8. Okay, take the 8. Okay, now we have the two arrays at this position, where here left array is this, right array is this. Okay, now we can merge into one sorted array, one single sorted array, this one. Okay, that piece of code I haven't written. First you understand this splitting, then you can go and write that one. Okay, now you see here, if you go like this, right, guys, yeah, this is over, right? The 4,8 is over. Now we are coming to here, the left 4,8 is over, then we will go to right one. So this is the right one, 12,11 I am passing. Okay, now 12 and 11. Okay, the left array 12,11. Here 12,11, right? 12,11. You can take 12,11 and make into the one sorted array. The first one, I mean smaller one, you can keep into first and then second. Okay, that is the same. So that kind of logic I haven't written. Still I am explaining to split. Okay, if you do one thing, yeah, you are, while debugging, right, you will understand this stack, this one, right? So now we are 12,11. So if you understand, if you clearly understand like this, right, you will remember this recursion. Now you see here, this part is over. Okay, now where up to, we reached up to where? Now this is over, the left side is over. Now we are going to the right side. This is the right side, 12, 13, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the right side also the same. Okay, now I am going to write the sort. Sort means, you see here 5 comma 13, we have two elements, 13 and 5, so I'm making into the one single sorted array. Okay, once you come here, right, where suppose even once you come here, the left array and right array, both are sorted arrays. Okay, again we need to keep into the one single sorted array. So that kind of logic I'm going to write. Okay, so guys, this I told you, right, I already made one separate video for this, so it is available. First you understand that one. Okay, first you watch that video, then you can see this one, left array comma right array. Okay, so simply I'm calling this method because this, right, I already explained very clearly in another video. I am showing you again. Okay, this one, merge two sorted arrays into the single sorted array. Okay, you can watch first this. Okay, I clearly explained, step by step I explained here. Okay, so this time what I am doing, I am calling that this method. I'm calling because I already explained the another video, right? So I am calling this one, then running. So now what we are expecting, first it will print original array, then sorted array. Wait guys, you see here, this is the original array and this is sorted one. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, this is sorted ascending order. Okay, hope I explained in depth. So I explained this recursive mechanism by how it follows, how it internally maintain the stack and all. Even I shown you while debugging, so how it will maintain the stack and all, right? So this is in depth. So I always recommend you, whenever you are using the recursion, right, keep in your brain the stack structure. Okay, this recursion, it will resolve many problems. Okay, I will explain those also in the next upcoming videos. So how to resolve the problems by using the recursion. So next upcoming videos I will explain very clearly. Okay, thank you guys, thanks for watching. Thank you.